In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a successful email on Mailchimp. Whether you're sending newsletters, promotional content, or announcements, mastering this tool is essential for effective digital marketing. Let's dive in from creating an account to hitting send. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to set up your Mailchimp account. Head over to the Mailchimp website and click on the sign up button. Once there, you'll be prompted to provide your email address, password, and any other required information. It's a straightforward process and will get you on the path to managing your emails more proficiently. Once your account is ready, it's crucial to define your audience. In the Mailchimp dashboard, find and select Audience. From there, click Manage Audience. This is where you'll organize and maintain the contacts you will be engaging with. You can add people by importing contacts directly from another device or uploading a CSV or text file. If you prefer, you can even copy and paste contacts from a spreadsheet. Properly formatting and organizing your audience is a key step in personalizing your messages effectively. Now, with your audience set, let's move on to creating email templates. Mailchimp makes this process easy and enjoyable by providing a variety of pre-designed templates to choose from. If you're feeling creative, you can also start from scratch and design your own. Customizing these templates really brings your brand to life. Using the drag and drop editor, you can effortlessly add images, text, buttons, and more, creating a visually appealing and engaging email. Take your time to ensure that your content reflects the message you want to convey while maintaining brand consistency. Finally, it's time to focus on delivery. If your email is ready to go, you can simply click the send button to have it delivered immediately. Alternatively, Mailchimp offers the useful option of scheduling your email for later. This feature is particularly advantageous when coordinating across various time zones or optimizing for the times your audience is most likely to engage with your content. Simply choose your desired date and time, and Mailchimp will take care of the rest, ensuring your message reaches your audience right when it should. So there you have it. From setting up your account, defining your audience, creating captivating templates, and finally sending them out, that's how you create a successful email on Mailchimp. With these steps, you can reach your audience more effectively, boost engagement, and ultimately enhance your overall marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in creating your next successful email campaign. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different strategies to see what your audience responds best to.